Hello, my friends, and welcome. This is Pete the Cat rocking in my school shoes. Some of you may know another Pete the Cat book, and I think they're so cute. The words for this one are written by Eric Litwin, and the art is created by James Dean. That means he's the illustrator. He is the artist who created Pete the Cat. So this is Pete the Cat Rocking in My School Shoes by Eric Litwin. I love the inside cover of the book. And the title page to remind us of the title, Pete the Cat Rocking in My School Shoes. The story is written by Eric Litwin, and the art is by James Dean, who created Pete the Cat. Here comes Pete the Cat strolling down the street, rocking red shoes on his 4 furry feet. Pete is going to school, and he sings this song. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. I'm rocking in my school shoes. Pete is sitting at his desk when his teacher says, "Come on, Pete, down the hall to a room with books on every wall." Where is Pete going? Did you get those clues? Can you figure out where he's going? The library. Pete has never been to the library before. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He finds his favorite book. And he sings his song. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. Check out Pete. He's ready to eat in a big noisy room with tables and seats. Where is Pete? His lunchbox may give you a clue. The lunchroom. It can be loud and busy in the lunchroom. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He sits down with his friends and sings his song. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. Pete and his friends are playing outside on a green, grassy field with swings and slides. Where is Pete? Do you know what this is called? The playground. Kids are running in every direction. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He plays with his friends and sings his song. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. All day long, Pete sings his song. I'm singing in my school shoes. I'm painting in my school shoes. I'm adding in my school shoes. I'm writing in my school shoes. Pete does a lot of things at school that we do at school. When school is done, Pete rides the bus home. Pete's mom asked him, "What did you do at school today?" And Pete says, I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. And I will do it again tomorrow. I just love Pete the Cat books, partly for the rhyming words and partly for the cute pictures. I hope you enjoyed it, and I really hope you'll keep reading. I'll see you again for another book soon.